Hi all, welcome to Creations Unlimited. Today I am going to show you how to make this applique work on a t-shirt with the help of Fevicryl fabric glue. We will need a t-shirt, fabric glue and few satin ribbons. Here I have taken one cardboard piece. I am going to draw a petal stencil on it. Its width is 1 inch and the length is 2 inches. After drawing, cut the stencil. Here is the cardboard stencil ready. Now take the satin ribbon, start tracing it on the satin ribbon. I am going to make 3 petals flower. I will use the same stencil for all the petals. After you finish drawing the petal, cut it. When you cut any satin ribbon, the threads of satin ribbon tend to come out. To avoid that, we need to burn the edges. For burning the edges, we are going to use this lighter. No need to touch the lighter to the petal. Just from little distance, we can burn the edges and seal the edges. Here is how it will look. After finishing the tracing on all the satin ribbons, petals are ready. I have also sealed the edges with the help of lighter. Now it's time to assemble the flowers. As I told you, it will be 3 petals flower. The center petal will be of dark color and 2 side petals are of light color. As you can see here, the center petal is dark yellow and 2 side petals are light yellow. With the help of fabric glue, we are assembling all the flowers. Here is how all the flowers will look after assembly. We will need the stem also. I am going to take a thread and apply glue on 3 strands of thread and stick them together to make a firm, thick thread. Lay down the thread straight on the table. Apply a thin line of fabric glue and twist the strands together. This is how you will get a thick thread. Now it's time to place all the flowers on our t-shirt. I'll be placing at the bottom of my t-shirt. You may place it however you want. I am inserting this A4 size paper between the 2 layers of my t-shirt. With the help of fabric color pencil, I am marking it on the t-shirt. After the position is decided, then with the fabric glue, I am sticking all the flowers on the t-shirt. Here all the flowers are stuck on the t-shirts. Now it's time to stick the stem on the t-shirt. Before we start sticking the stem, we need to draw the stem. Then with the help of fabric glue, we need to make a outline on the drawn line. Then it's time you can stick the string on the glue. You have to keep doing this till you get the desired design. Applique on this t-shirt is done with the help of Fevicryl fabric glue. I have not sewed anything here. After you finish sticking the applique on the fabric, let it dry for 24 hours before you use it. You can wash it only after 7 days, and for more durability, you should iron it on the back side of the fabric. How is it? How is it looking? Did you like the t-shirt? I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.